Hi, this is the lesson on how to find the volume of pyramids and cones and also spheres. So first, the first figure we have is a pyramid. And so we go to our formula sheet, we look at the formula for the volume of a pyramid, and it is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So the base in this shape right here is, in this pyramid, is a square. So we need to think about the formula for the area of a square. And that's little b times h. So the base times the height, which those are perpendicular, would be 8 times 8, which is 64. So in the big formula, the area of the base is 64. The height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the top of the pyramid, which is 12. And then we can calculate that. So it would be 1/3 times 64 times 12, which is 256. And it is volume, so it's cubic units. And that's your answer. In the next one, volume is 1/3 area of the base times height. Well, here your base is a rectangle, so the formula is little b times h. So base, which is 7, times the height, which is 6, or vice versa. So it would be 6 times 7, which is 42. So we plug that in, and the height from the rectangle to the very tippy top is 5. And you multiply those together. And you should get 70, and that would be cubic meters. All right, now here we have another pyramid. This base looks a little funky, but that base is a triangle. So it's a triangular pyramid. So again, the volume of a period is 1/3 area of the base, big B, times h. Now you have to look at your base and say, okay, it's a triangle, so the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Now remember, with this triangle, the base and the height are the sides that are perpendicular, so it would be 3 and 4 divided by 2, which is 12 divided by 2, that's 6. So the area of the base is 6, so it's 1/3 times 6, and the perpendicular height is 4. So when you multiply that out, you will get 8 cubic feet. Now we have a pentagon for a base here, so it's a pentagonal pyramid. So the volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. So the base area, it's a little bit more involved. We have to find the area of one triangle that's on the base. Let me just color the base so we can kind of see that a little better. Okay, so that pentagon is our base. All right, so all of the side lengths here are 11. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we would do 11 times 7.6, because that's the height of the triangle, 7.6 divided by 2. And that gives us 167.2. Oopsie, I need to correct that. I hit times instead of divide. Let me just fix that number and re-punch that in. So I need to arrow up on my calculator, hit divided by, so I get 41.8. That sounds better. Now that is the area of this triangle right here. But on that regular pentagon, there are 5 triangles. So I have to multiply that by 5, which is 209. So the base area is 209. and the height of the figure is 10. So we'll multiply that all out, and you should get 696.7 cubic centimeters. All right, next we have a cone. So the volume of a cone is 1/3. Let me find it here. 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So again, it's 1/3 area of the base. This pi r squared is the area of that circle, and then times the height. So with the cone, we know the radius is 7. So we have 7 squared, and then the height of it is 14. So then you can just type that out, 1/3 times pi times 7 squared times 14 is 718.4 cubic kilometers. All right, in the next one, again, it's a cone, so it's 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Now the radius in this case is 12 because they give us the diameter, which is 24. The radius is half of that, and the height is 24. So 1/3 times pi times 12 squared times 24 would be 3,619.1 cubic centimeters. All right, also we're going to take a look at the volume of a sphere. Now the formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now the radius is half of the diameter, so the radius would be 9. All right, so you're going to type in your calculator 4/3 times pi. And in case you're not aware, the way that you can type in 9 cubed is either 9 times 9 times 9, or you can type in 9, and then there is an up arrow on your calculator. It's above the x squared to the third like that. So it's 4/3, and you can use your fraction button, times pi times 9 to the third, and that is 3,053.6. And again, it's volume, so it's cubic meters. So that's how we do this unit. Thanks for watching.